Hi, my name is Leonardo and welcome to the video course of Agile Development with Java EE by PEC Publishing. In this video course, you will learn how to apply the best Agile development techniques by building a Java EE application on the cloud. So, I'm a software developer and architect with more than 15 years of experience. I'm an Oracle Certified Master Java EE Enterprise Architect and also an IBM Agile Achiever. And I leverage Agile, Cloud, and DevOps to deliver great outcomes to my projects. Now, for this course, we are going to build a simple Java EE web application with the best of Agile using the so-called born on the cloud approach. Here is what we're gonna cover. In the first section, we are going to conceptualize our Java EE web application for this course. How do we do that with Agile? By establishing a minimal viable product, or MVP. Right next, and with just a few clicks, we are going to provision the whole cloud infrastructure to deliver this born-on-the-cloud application. Then, in section 2, we are going to plan our development work using the GitHub issues as our tracking tool. In the third section, we are going to implement our Java EE web application. And as we do this, you will gain an appreciation for the power of DevOps and toolchains, which integrates everything we need, including the Eclipse Orion Web IDE for our coding tasks. In section 4, we are going to review the delivery pipeline and how it facilitates continuous deployment with its sequence of stages. Finally, in the last section, we will summarize how Agile, Cloud, and DevOps deliver speed and flexibility never seen before, and how it addresses the common problems of application development. Here are the prerequisites for this course. Mainly, it is advisable to have a good knowledge of Java and Java EE. It is not required, but it's helpful if you have a basic understanding of Agile development, cloud computing, and DevOps. Finally, forget all those endless installations. You will only need a web browser. You will create a free IBM ID in order to access the IBM Cloud, and that's it. You are all set. The cloud will be the primary platform for both the development and delivery of our sample application. So, by completing this course, you will gain insight on how to apply the best Agile techniques. You will understand how to streamline your application development for continuous delivery. You will be able to jumpstart and accelerate your Agile adoption, and you will acquire hands-on experience with Agile, Cloud, and DevOps. Well, now that we know what lies ahead, let's jump right into this course.